Hey guys, I just purchased my first diesel. It's a 1989 four-wheel drive. Has a 7.3. Has the aftermarket turbo on it. Has the C6 transmission. Dealership put down it has 136,000. Has dual tanks. Interior's pretty good. Has blue. Getting ready to do myself a oil change on it today. I don't know if you guys can see here, but looks like it has over 114, so I guess their math is a little off. They did the paperwork not even a month ago. All the interior lights, everything works. Cruise control. And put a fifth wheel hitch or a gooseneck in the bed. A little bit of damage here on the side. So I bought it so I can pull a trailer. So you have some fun in it. So, well, it's been sitting for about 5 days. Because I've only owned it for 5 days. It's not too cold. But it's about 60 degrees right now, so see if we can fire this thing up. Hopefully don't smoke too much. So far I haven't seen any smoke when I first got it. And it fired right up, so we'll see if it does the same now. Well guys, I don't know how much smoke it blew out. I guess when I watch the video I'll see, but it looks like I did blow some smoke. So, a little rougher than I did the first time, but as soon as the light went off, cranked it, fired up. Yeah buddy. I was going for a Cummins, guys. Wanted a 1-ton dually. But I ran into this deal. So hopefully it should be good to me. How much you guys think this thing can tow? 13,000? 20,000? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want. Thanks.